From crashes to close calls to road rage, today we're looking at all the crazy stuff that happens on two wheels. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, but always remember, stay safe out there and always wear your gear.
Oh!
Keep your eye on the rider and the white bike. Not sure what happened here, but one small distraction can cost you big time when you're on a bike.
Wait, so you missed it? Oh shit. Drove crash? I don't know if it's like his shoe fell off. Then you straight, bro?
This rider was having a little too much fun and going a little too fast. Now this rider is extremely lucky that he survived, but I'm pretty sure I don't have to tell you, don't ride like this. Oh,
Last time I took this turn too soon, and I ended up in this groove right here, and that threw me off. Like right there, boom. Where am I going? Ah!
Luckily this rider wasn't too badly hurt. He did get a bolt stuck in his foot, as you can see, and that's why it's very important to stay focused while you ride. I feel like group rides are not good for new riders. This new rider was trying to keep up with the pack, and it didn't end well.
Don! Oh my God, Don! Don't look back, bro. You almost died. You almost died, Don. Jesus.
No fucking way. No fucking way, bro. No fucking way.
go, boys! Woo! Fuck, boys. Oh, shit, man.
Speed and target fixation might have played a role in this crash. All I know is he's extremely lucky that that guardrail stopped him from going over that cliff.
Jesus!
Did I hit you, boss?
A little bit. You gotta look. You gotta look in your mirror.
I was looking in the side mirror.
You got a rear view too for a reason.
Yeah.
Jesus.
We're good. I'm okay. Don't even call an ambulance. I'm fine. My ankle's a little twisted, but I'm okay. We're all good. I had gear on. My hands are good. We're all good. We're all good.
Didn't even rip through. I swear, I literally looked back and I seen Yago hit Chase's back tire and go down.
We're good. We're good. I wasn't going that far. Can somebody get my bike up? Where's my bike up? Can y'all get my bike up?
Yeah, already up.
I still don't understand why somebody would get mad when a motorcycle passes them. I would think if you hate the biker that much, just let him pass you, go on his way, but some people just want to start trouble for no reason.
Pull over. No, go ahead. Pull over. You pull over. Pull over. No, go. Sit the f over. Pull over. Go. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Go. You brake check.
I have kids in the car.
Yeah.
Driving like a fucking show.
Why did you brake check me?
Because you're being a piece of.
So you want to kill me?
Oh, you want to kill them?
How?
This fucking close to my car.
I was going around you.
To speed up to let you.
What the f are you talking about?
Have a chance to pass 2 seconds.
You brake checked me.
You had a chance to pass me.
Brake check, motherfucker.
Yeah, I brake checked you because you could.
Oh, really? Get the f out the car.
Fuck you.
You little bitch.
Kids.
I don't give a f.
Care.
I care about my life too.
Okay, then don't drive.
Oh, pull the kid card.
A chance to
You motherfucker.
pass.
You. Look at that motherfucker.
Hey, I'm scared.
Can suck on that motherfucker.
No, I wouldn't.
Record this shit and post it on the internet.
Honey, you would wait.
This fucking thing's been recording your bitch ass.
Good, I'm glad. Hi.
Yeah, smile for the camera. Look at your crusty ass.
Ass with kids in the car.
You.
No, dude.
Do something about it.
Go ahead and have a nice day.
You watch yourself next time. Hey, you catch me at another time, I'll your bitch ass up.
Go ahead, dude. Go ahead.
You
So fucking scared.
you better pray.
You. Fuck people like you.
Ah!
That's why you're screaming.
Come get some.
Goodbye.
Grow the f up. Look at you shaking, bro.
Try to.
You're trembling.
I don't don't give a fuck.
Look at your little ass arms, bro.
Fuck.
Shower next time.
Fucking dick. That's fucking
Eat my dick. You a bitch.
Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Hope you guys learned something from today's video. Do me a favor, go check out some of our shorts and some of my e-bike reviews. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.